How to reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and then go to the DMs tab and further open the conversation from where you want to view the photo. Here, tap on the view photo option you see there, and once you have viewed the photo and quit the picture, then you can tap on the photo option there again and you will be able to view the photo. Make sure that the person who sent you the picture will be able to see that you replayed their photo. You also have to make sure that the person who is sending the picture has enabled allow replay while sending the picture, or else you will not be able to see the picture twice if they have sent the picture in the view once mode. So it is really important to make sure that they have sent it in allow replay if you want to view their photo, or else you will not be able to view their photo twice. So this is how you can reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.